So what I'm grinding off is, remember when I soldered this and I had such a hard time getting that to flow? I'm grinding off the excess solder that's here. And you can see on the bottom where some of it is still left that I haven't got to yet, but look at there in the middle where all of that is gone. And it really refines it. The other marks you're seeing are just some stamping that I did into the sides. It'll show later on after I set the stone. So can you see now that all of that roughness has been taken away? And that would have made it hard to set the stone because it would have been uneven and it would have been riding on top of it. So on the back, at the bottom, you can see kind of a ridge where that bottom piece, I cut off a lot of it, but a lot of it's still left, and I don't like that there, so I'm going to get rid of it. And you learn how to hold this as you use it more and more, and so that you don't have to worry about it coming off and scraping places you don't want it to be scraped, or sanded or filed. This is kind of a combination of all of that. And this piece will eventually get hot in my hand, but it hasn't yet.